Welcome to Explore Travel TV. My name is David. Jen is actually still getting dressed. This is our first day in Japan on our trip. So if you've been following along, we had a beautiful, nice wedding. We had a Delta One first class air flight, so we'll have videos on all of that. And now we are here, a beautiful hotel, the Intercontinental on Pier 8 is like beautiful. I've got all kinds of pictures and videos of that. I'll show you our first day here, and we have an excursion right away. We're doing a sake tasting, or a sake factory actually, to show where they make the sake, and then it's a sake pairing with lunch. We're probably gonna be totally drunk by the time we're done with this. And then we have like a cool little cable ride thing, and then we're going to some kind of a glass factory, I think. Full day packed. We're not getting back until about 6 o'clock, and then tonight is a party, a welcome party from Japanet. And I wanted to just talk to you real quick about that. Now this tour we're on is from a company called Japanet America. Now they actually will charter a cruise ship, a Viking ship. I'm going to show you way more about this as well. This is a full 15-day Japanese tour. It is exclusive. They only do this a couple times a year. So like right now, this is the last one this year. Next year, it's only like in April. There's like 3 dates available. There's 2 different tours that they do with the cruise. I will provide information on that. I can book it if you didn't know. I have a travel agency. I do own a travel agency, so we can book this trip. If you see what you like on this trip, let me know. It's very exclusive. It's all inclusive. Everything is pretty much included in this trip.
In Japan, we use san after someone's name. It's showing friendliness or politeness. Jennifer-san, David-san, and Tom-san. Okay?
Tom-san.
Okay.
And last night, my wife wrote your name in Japanese.
Arigato.
Hi, David.
Oh, nice.
And Jennifer.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you for coming today. I'm Haruna Hashiba. Now my father Yuichi is the president of Izumi, and I will be maybe 7th generation in the future.
Most sake breweries buy their rice. Well, this company, they grow their own to make sure they have the right kind of rice for their sake. Now, I wasn't allowed to film, but we were taking pictures of the whole process, and we did have to get protection before we go in to show. They weren't brewing anything right now, but they gave us some ideas of how it all worked.
And Jumai Gijo, and there is a kimoto. Kimoto is the traditional way for fermentation.
Okay, ready? And we did enjoy this sake. It tasted different than the stuff we usually get here at home, even though I don't drink very much. But they also gave us a bottle each to take home. It was a small bottle, so it was easy to pack. Now it's time for lunch, and this little restaurant is actually owned by the same sake brewing company. And so as you see behind all those different sakes, they did a sake pairing type thing with, it was like, I don't know, 6 or 8 course meal. There was a lot of fish in here, so Jennifer was able to get some things other than the fish. But we had, it was like 5 different types of sake with each little course of the meal. And that was only just a little bit, but yeah, by the time we were pretty buzzed. Now, they also gave us this little happy honeymoon thing. On one end, it was Japanese here on my side, and then English on the other. Very nice.
Each glass has a number. That's the shape of the number, and this is the number of the color you choose. You have a choice if you want to put some bubble in it or not.
Can't drink out of that.
It's like a paperweight.
I like that.
Decided fast. Blow. Hold, yeah. I blow. So, how much you blow is how much is going to big.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, continue. Yeah. Okay.
With
one hand?
Oh, yeah?
Blow.
いっぱい飲みたければブローが強い方がいい。
If you want to drink lots of sake, blow a lot.
Oh yes, okay. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, more?
Blow. Slowly. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Center. Oh.
Yeah. Meet in the center. Ah. Strong.
Oh.
これ続きまっすぐ平ら膨らむの分かりますか？
I see. Open. Open. Sorry. Oh, like that. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I feel. I stop.
Ooh, big bubble.
Okay.
It's too much.
早すぎたんですか？勢い
You
良すぎたんですか？
He says blow and she blows.
Okay. Very good. That's to make bubbles.
Okay.
Yeah. Slowly. I blow. I blow. I blow. Blow. Okay. Okay. Oh.
Too hard.
すごい
Too hard. You think I'd be able to do it?
Okay, okay. 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 Like that. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. One. Okay. I so そっからちょっと待って。Have you dreamed of a journey which is filled with tradition and spirituality? Oyama pilgrimage is a very unique experience where people carry massive wooden sword from Edo. Edo is now called Tokyo. Then they purify themselves in a waterfall, and then they offer the massive wooden sword to the shaman. It has been immortalized in kabuki and ukiyo-e art. Like this.
Wow.
Yeah. In Edo era, about 18th century, the population of Edo, now Tokyo, was about 1 million. Every year, 200,000 people came here for pilgrimage. So popular. But from Edo here on foot, it takes 3 days. Actually, I did it 3 days. And then they stayed at the temple lodging. And next day, they purified themselves in a waterfall. Then they finally step into the sacred place. That's where we are right now. Today, we will experience the best part of Mount Oyama pilgrimage. No from Edo. Are we ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. We're here. Around here, elevation is like 400 meters, so which is like 1,200 feet. And then Afuri Shrine, that's where we're going to. It's about 700 meters, so 2,100 feet. On the top, 1252. It's like 4,000 feet. Why spinning top? Because in Edo era, people thought the movement of the spinning top it's like a continuous movement showing like a continuous flow of the money. So people think it's good as a good fortune. That's why. And then here you see a sign like this. It means first landing. It has 27 landing on Tomasando. And if it's one, number one landing. If it's two, number two landing. And then if there is a big one, it means 10. Okay?
I see.
I see? Yeah, you see. Okay. 27 landings here. Okay. 2 bow. 2 clap your hands. And 1 bow. Yeah. This is very pure water from the mountain. It's spring. You can drink it. It's okay. You can do it. Very cold and clean. Drinkable. This is the actual wooden sword they offered in Edo era, 18th century. They carry this wooden sword from Edo, then offered to the top of the mountain. It was heavy, I know. But they did it. This one too.
Well, it's really good to see everybody here and meet you. I'm going to probably meet everybody along the way. This has been a fantastic meal. I don't know how you guys are. We're going to roll out. I think we're all going to roll out of here because the meal was just fantastic and everybody is so nice here. This is a closing here, but a beginning because we have a lot more to go. So let's give it up for the Japanet and this wonderful, wonderful